I want you to do it and show us. In the previous video, we have done exactly the same exercise. Today also we're gonna separate this connector from the other one. And there's a connector with what they call
the switch.
a tape over. Is that the switch?
The switch is here.
Say the switch is this on this side, and the other
This
one.
one is the torch.
That's the torch. Okay.
This one is the
Oh,
camera.
there's a thicker cable coming, huh?
Yeah,
Is that the torch?
yeah, this here.
Okay.
This one is the camera.
What is that?
Camera.
Is that the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. And this the dark thing. What is it called?
Which one? This one.
That's only the camera.
Yeah, this one is the connector for the camera.
Okay.
The camera is here.
Okay. The camera, the back camera or the front camera, it doesn't matter. That's the cable anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, let's now concentrate on what we are working on. Show us first. We have removed this from the this LCD from the motherboard. We gotta also take off another similar work from a different device so we can swap them and see if we're gonna be successfully get over. So let's get that. Go ahead, bro. What were you doing right now? Are you taking off a connector?
This here.
Is that the switch?
Yeah, this one is the switch.
Okay. Get this metal out of the way first. Okay. So we got the screen out of the way, the LCD out of the way. We are removing this switch. The switch connector. Get your hand away, please. The switch connector from here. So he's gonna be using the soldering gun. Hold it one side. And the way he's doing it, even. Guess what? He took it off so quick. Okay, go ahead, bro. What you gonna do now? What is our next? To clean up first? Okay. What is our next step?
Let me remove this one.
Okay, go ahead, bro. So he's gonna remove again another using flux. Okay. Great. You took it all so quick, mashallah. Okay. Now he's cleaning up, making sure there's no bridge in between.
Yeah.
Okay, go to the next one now. Go to this one. The starting is what we care, how you're doing it. So you're holding with the, what they call?
The tweezer.
The tweezer. And then you lift it while you're doing from one side.
You just lift it slowly.
And warm it up.
Yeah.
And the flux will help you the rest.
Yeah.
Since the flux is a liquid that follows. See? Now he's cleaning up connectors and how to connect and how to remove them. Okay. Our biggest goal was to remove this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, do that right in front of the camera, bro. Okay, go ahead, give it to me. Oh, this you can't put far away anyway.
This one, first move this.
There's a tape over, so the instructor will remove the tape. His hands are on the way, but let's get.
Just this one.
It's just a tape.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm going to remove this screen here.
Where the screen connector.
Yeah.
So he's using flux over the connector. He applied every corner of that connector. Go ahead and so he's using his own fingers to take off the connector. Oh, that's the tape part only. Okay. I got that.
I have to lift it slowly.
Without forcing.
No, I don't force it.
Only the... Okay, now it's time to clean, right? Clean up. So the instructor will clean. Make sure there's no dirt or this blackness is full. Okay. So that's how to take off a screen from... Can you show us the screen that you took off? Let me see. So we took off this screen from the motherboard. Today we were concentrating on that task. I hope it has helped you guys. Subscribe and share, and also be a learner
Want to put
every
it
day.
back? Then we'll remove
So he's gonna put it back by cleaning. He's gonna do first, then I will do another time.
Yeah.
But mostly I'm not that experienced. But we're gonna do day after day.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm going to put it back.
Okay.
So when you put it on this table here.
On the table, it will bring a lot of messy, dirty
Yeah.
thing. So your work table used on the metal part, but if you put over a wood, the wood dirt will come on the terminals, right?
Yeah.
And it will mess it up and it might cause even breach. Okay, see how the connector was placed there and it became so dirty? So hold on, let's okay, now go ahead, bro. Now he's connecting it, the screen to the motherboard. What was that? Was so easy. What? Super easy. Now it's my turn to work and practice, okay guys?
And these ones, let me take these ones also.
You wanna
right?
take, okay. Are you putting them? Okay, hold on, I'm not grabbing it. Something is on my way. Go ahead, do that one too. So he's placing the other two connectors. What? So easy. Working on
Yeah.
motherboard repair. You don't know when you will get such a deal, so just practice and be comfortable doing it. Mess up some of the bad phones that you have at your house, but don't burn yourself. And this flux, when it burns, it smells so bad. If you have an asthma, hey, get away from it.
Yeah.
Just don't want you to risk your life. Okay. So today we have used this machine a lot, and we have not used the screen separator, but we have something on it right now. We might start working on the screens soon. Okay, what else we have done today was removing this speaker,
Yeah.
the terminal, the wire of the speaker from the was that from the motherboard?
Yeah.
From the motherboard. I removed it personally, and we also took off this one. We have taken out
mouthpiece.
this what is it called?
Charging ports.
Charging port, and we also removed another charging port. Both of them I removed it. And what was this one? Earpiece,
The speaker.
the speaker.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the speaker, but the speaker has okay, and I removed those two cables from the motherboard. And what is this one? This was the mouthpiece, which I removed it. One mouthpiece and second mouthpiece. So at least today we have done some practical thing. Let's implement it by making money from it.